Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable TalkBack on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named additional settings. Open it and then as a next step, click on this tab which is named accessibility. Here from general tab that you can see at the upper part of your phone, we would need to go to this tab which is named vision. And here is the TalkBack by itself. So we would need to click on it. Here click use TalkBack and here you can see that you would need to give permission to TalkBack, view and control screen. So let's click allow and this is it. We have successfully enabled the TalkBack. Here you'd be able to hear and also read the description of this mode and how to manage it. So to finish these instructions, we would need to choose finish button and double click on it. Here we would need to click finish and double click. Now let's talk about how does the TalkBack works. So to move between items, we would need to just swipe to any of these sites. As you can see, by swiping to the right, I am switching between the items. And if I will swipe left, I'll go back to the items that I have just selected. To confirm any of the actions that you want to do, we would need to double tap on the selected item. So for example, if we would like to open the recent apps, firstly we would need to tap on this square and then double tap to open them. And then to select, we can also just tap on the items like this. It's not necessary to swipe to the right or to the left. And now the last question is how to disable TalkBack. So for that we would need to find the settings with the TalkBack and here choose the slider and double tap on it. Here choose stop, double tap and this is it. Now we are back in normal. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.